Class 8. How to create AI rabbit stories. You can learn how to make rabbit AI stories very easily and for free. This type of rabbit story is currently trending on this channel. As always, I will provide you with a script format, which you can use to create image scripts easily. Your task is to copy this script and open ChatGPT. I have already added what you need to say with the script. You should say, make it another story in the same style, keep the characters the same, but change the story while maintaining the same vibe. The image style should remain the same. Make it 10 scenes with proper consistency and end the story. Now, press enter and wait. You will see that ChatGPT generates a proper script with character consistency. This is not just a script, it also serves as an image prompt. You will see that ChatGPT generates a proper script with character consistency. This is not just a script, it also serves as an image prompt. If you don't like the generated story, you can copy the previous prompt again and ask ChatGPT for a new story. ChatGPT will generate a new story for you. This way, you can generate unlimited stories for free. Once you get the script, copy it and save it in Google Docs. Now your next task is to generate images from this script. I will show you two ways. First, the paid method using ChatGPT 4 Premium, and then how to generate images for free using Leonardo AI. Let's start with ChatGPT. First, copy the first image prompt and paste it into ChatGPT 4. If you want to make a short video, you can specify a 9:16 ratio. For a full video, choose a 16:9 ratio. Then press enter. ChatGPT will generate an image for you. After the first image is generated, copy the second prompt and repeat the same process. Generate the second image using the same process. Just copy and paste the image prompt into ChatGPT 4 AI. If the character doesn't match the previous image, you can ask ChatGPT to keep the character the same as before. If the character doesn't match the previous image, you can ask ChatGPT to keep the character the same as before. Follow the same process for each scene and generate images by copying and pasting the prompts. Follow the same process for each scene and generate images by copying and pasting the prompts. Once all images are generated, you need to download each image. This is how you can create images using ChatGPT 4. So, download every image. Now, I will show you how to generate images for free. For this, open Leonardo AI. Create an account on Leonardo AI, then follow the same process. Copy each image prompt and generate images for free by pasting them into Leonardo AI. You can generate images for free in the same way because not everyone can afford a ChatGPT 4 subscription. So, if you cannot buy ChatGPT 4, you can use Leonardo AI instead. Once the images are downloaded, you will now need Kling AI video prompts. For Kling AI prompts, copy the script and paste it into ChatGPT. Then say, I need Kling AI animation video prompts for each scene. Make it short with proper camera movement. And press enter. Then, you will see that ChatGPT generates Kling AI video prompts with proper camera movement. Now, you need to animate the video. For that, we will use Kling AI as always. Before that, follow the same process shown in class 2 to create multiple accounts.
So your Kling AI video prompt is ready. You can see here is 10 prompt, each of scene, 10 scene, 10 video prompt with camera movement. So now you open Kling AI. So Kling AI open here is I'm already open this website, and I already teach you how you can use unlimited Kling AI. And class 2, here is a class 2, how to use unlimited Kling AI without a subscription. So follow this class and then open multiple account on your browser. So I'm already open 4 account. Here is 1, 2, 3. Here is 2, then 3, 4, and 5. So now your job is copy paste. So first of all, you have to add your first image. Wait, I'm editing my first image. Rabbit story. I think, where is that? I think I'm not finding. Here is the first image. I'm going to add on Kling AI. Then just go to your ChatGPT, and you already made Kling AI video prompt of each scene. So first copy this first scene and paste it where you add your first image. Just paste here and generate it. So you need 6 minutes for this completed. So now go to another account. You don't need to wait for this image. Just add second image. Wait, I'm editing second image. Add the second image and go to again ChatGPT and add the second Kling AI video prompt what you generated before and paste it here. So same process, just step by step. I think the credit gone, so I have to open an account. So let's see. I'm there opening new account. Sign out. Go to here. Sign out this first. Sign out. Sign in free. Add the image. I think you have to open mail meter and just copy your mail and paste it here and go generate it. You can see number of possible 512 email generated just one with just from one email, just from one mail. So you have to copy anyone. You have to copy any of Gmail here. Just copy and paste it here. Keep the password, anything. You can add anything, any type of password. Just copy the same password, paste it here, and this verification done. Now your verification code will send on your Gmail, your own Gmail. Let's refresh this page. Just clean a video from here is it. Copy this and paste it here. Here is it. Your here you can see 0 and do refresh here and see 166 coin you will receive after generating new account. So same process, follow this. And now I think the second prompt, I think the second image, wait, add here. Where is the folder? I'm missing the folder. Private story, second image, then second prompt, what you generated before. Here is the I need clean AI animation video prompt for each scene. Make it shortly with proper camera movement. So this way you can generate it clean AI video prompt for your image. Go to here and paste it here and wait few minutes. So in this account saying the 7 minutes, sometimes they say that you need just 3 minutes. So it's happen on server. Sometimes it's happen on lots of people trying on free. That's why you will see sometimes various time of limitation. I think the image. So go to third image. Let's make it third image. Wait, I'm going to folder. I'm missing my folder every time because there is a new account. Here is now at third image and go to third prompt, third video prompt and paste it here and do the same process, generate, and you will receive 7 minutes. Wait, you have to wait 7 minutes again. So go to your third account. Now add your fourth image and now go to here and copy this and paste it here. So in 10 scene you will do the same process. You will have to do the same process. You have to follow the same process. Just copy and paste. You can open 10 account for 10 scene, 10 image. So it will be more faster. So I'm just open 5 account for 10 image. So I will have to wait few minutes. So you can open lots of account in this way, just using the mail meter generator, and you will receive and can make lots of account without any premium subscription. You can make clean AI video. I mean generated video you can create. So here is I have to add our 5 number image. Go to here and paste it. I think the image it will be 4th number because the same image. So add this and it's saying that 8 minutes. So this is the process you have to follow. After generated all image, you have to download those image.
Download all the videos. Download your generated videos from every account. Once downloaded, open CapCut. After opening CapCut, add your generated videos one by one. Follow the same process as shown in previous classes. If you can edit one concept, you will easily be able to generate images for all other ideas. After adding images to CapCut, add your clips to the timeline. Once the clips are added, insert background music. After adding the background music, trim it accordingly. I have already shown how to generate background music. You can use Suno AI for this. After adding the background music, trim it accordingly. Once everything is done, export the video. This is how you can make a video using my script. If you face any problems, let me know in the group. I will help you.